welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make baked mochi donuts. So these donuts are super popular in Japan and I really wanted to recreate them at home but make it easier and fuss-free. So these are a baked version. They're not 100% the same but they taste amazing and I hope you like the recipe, so let's get started.
In a medium-sized saucepan, heat milk, sugar and oil until steaming. Once steaming, add flour and mix until combined. Once smooth, remove from heat and add the tapioca flour. Mix until well combined. Transfer the dough to another bowl and slowly add the beaten egg, mixing well between each addition. When the batter is ready, it should look something like this. Now transfer the batter to a piping bag with a round tip. I made a stencil to make life easier, so put that underneath the silicone mat and pipe little blobs according to the stencil. Make sure the circles of pipe batter touch each other slightly so that when they rise in the oven they will form the donut shape. Bake in a preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes. They're ready when they're light and golden brown. To make the strawberry glaze, melt white chocolate in the microwave until completely melted and add fresh strawberries before blending it until smooth. To give the glaze a more pink color, add a little bit of food coloring as well. Transfer the glaze to a small bowl and then dip the donuts into the glaze. To give the glaze a smooth finish, give the donut a few taps. To make the matcha glaze, add cream to the white chocolate and heat in the microwave until completely melted. Add the matcha powder and stir until well combined. Dip the donut into the glaze and give it a few taps to smooth the surface. Then sprinkle the donuts with your desired toppings and set aside to set.
My mochi donuts. So these aren't 100% like the pondering in Japan. They are a little bit more chewy. They're not as fluffy because they don't have any yeast in them. But these are so much easier to make and they taste delicious as well. So let's give it a try. Matcha. The texture of these donuts is super fun. They're like chewy and bouncy but a little bit crispy on the outside, and the matcha or the strawberry goes well with it, so up to you, whatever you like or both. And yeah, I hope you like this recipe, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and comment down below what else you'd like me to make, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!